I've heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby. But I don't know about that. As many times as we've loved, we've shared love and made love, it doesn't seem to me, like it's enough, baby. It's just not enough. Oh, baby. My darling, I can't get enough of your love, baby. Girl, I don't know why. Can't get enough of your love, baby. Oh, some things I can't get used to, no matter how I try. It's like the more you give, the more I want them. And baby, that's no lie. Oh no, baby, tell me, what can I say? What am I gonna do? How should I feel when everything is you? What kind of love is this that you're giving me? Is it in your kiss or just because you're sweet? Girl, all I know is every time you're near, I feel the change. Something moves, I scream your name. Look what you got me doing, darling. Can't get enough of your love, baby. Girl, I don't know why I can't get enough of your love, baby. Oh no, baby. Girl, if I could only make you see and make you understand. Girl, your love for me is all I need, and more than I can stand. Oh well, baby, how can I explain all the things I feel? You're giving me so much, girl, you're so unreal. Still, I keep loving you more and more each time. Girl, what am I gonna do? Because you blow my mind. I get the same old feeling every time you're here. I feel the change. Something moves, I scream your name. Look what you got me doing, darling. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Oh yes. It didn't take all of my life to find you, but you can believe it's gonna take the rest of my life to keep you. Oh no, baby. Oh no. Oh, I love you, love. Can't get enough. My darling, I can't get enough of your love, baby. I don't know why I can't get enough of your love, baby. Oh, my darling, I can't get enough of your love, baby. My darling, I can't get enough of your love, baby. Yeah, baby. Get enough of you. I've heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby.